Hey, how we doing? Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calca, and today I'm going to be walking you around a 2024 Grady-White 326 Canyon. Just showed up a couple days ago, just unwrapped it. Great opportunity to be the first one to come by and take it for a spin. Where we're standing, you can see one of the great features of the CV2 V-hull design. Very wide, very large inverted chines. That combined with the CV2, the variable dead rise, very sharp entry, and it flattens out towards the transom. And look at this flare that you get at the bow. Very dry boat, very sturdy boat, not a lot of listing on this Grady. Let's go back to the transom and I'll show you what this is powered with. Here at the transom, you'll see the power package is twin 300 Yamahas. You can get into the mid to high 40s very quickly and very easily. Another thing about Grady is that the way their hull is designed, you can stay on plane at lower speeds. Great for trolling. Here up top on the transom, you'll see that it does have a very easily accessible fish box. Nice large fish box as well. Be out there all day trying to fill this thing. And directly to the port side of it, you have your live well. One of two. As we move towards the helm here, you will see a nice prep station. This is your second of the two live wells. This one actually is a little bigger. If you need to separate your bait for the day, fishing for different species, that's a good way to do it with the dual live well setup. You also do have a freshwater sink right here to wash off. I do like these stainless steel drawers, really nice look. And this is 316 stainless steel, which Grady uses on all of their hardware. Resistant to rust, resistant to pitting, just a nice quality stainless steel. And of course, they have thought about the tackle storage here. Got Plano boxes, places for your pliers, whatever you need to store in there. And an additional tackle station here with another Plano box. And as we work our way further to the helm, you will see some rocket launchers here, and as well as on the hard top. No sacrifice for comfort while you're out there on the hot days. You do have a sure shade that extends all the way to the transom here that can keep your guest out of the sun and comfortable. It also does come with outriggers as well. Let's go up to the helm and I'll show you what we've outfitted this boat with. As I mentioned in some previous videos, Grady doesn't necessarily put electronics from factory. However, we do have a very nice setup that we've done for multiple customers. I really like how this is just even, very ergonomic. Everything is centered. You do have two nice 8616s. You have your CL5 in the middle here, your Garmin 215 with AIS. And then moving over here, we do have the Helmmaster EX system. Digital throttle, digital steering, Helmmaster EX joystick with all your... one of the benefits of moving up to the 326 as opposed to the 306 is this 3-row seating here. Bolster seating, as well as adjustable. And when you flip these down, you feel really secure. No matter if you're doing some tight turns or you're out there in some choppy conditions, this makes you feel real secure. And it does have the flip down footrest as well for comfort. Here we are on the bow of the 326 Canyon, and just look at the amount of space you have up here. This is optioned with the filler here that obviously can operate as a casting platform, and you got plenty of space up here for a few people to be able to cast, as well as the cushions do come with. They are just stowed away at the moment, and once you actually put the cushions on here, you have a large sun pad, an oversized sun pad for your guests to kind of entertain and lay out and get some sun for the day. And these are some flip out backrests. And man, thank you for watching this walkthrough of the 326 Canyon. If you'd like to swing by the lot, check it out in person, take it for a spin, we can show you what this model is all about. Come by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and we'll get you taken care of.